Hello there. Temperatures have been into the mid-teens, making it one of the warmest days of the year so far. But with the sunshine, yes, it felt pleasant. But further west, this huge area of low pressure dominates most of the North Atlantic, has been driving these weather fronts in. So many in western parts have had quite a soggy afternoon, wet and windy afternoon. The winds have been up to gale force. There are Met Office warnings in force across Northern Ireland because the rain sticks here for pretty much the next 24 hours. As I mentioned, we've got gale force winds driving that rain onto the moors in the southwest of England, across the Welsh mountains as it starts to move its way into Pembrokeshire through the early rush hour here. Gales up through the Irish Sea, pushing that rain over the mountains of Northern Ireland, southern and western Scotland as well. So where we've had the fine weather in the east, here we will see temperatures holding above freezing overnight because of the strengthening wind and the cloud that's coming in ahead of this rain. It reaches, as you can see, into the home counties, the southeast, by the time we get to dawn. Temperatures held up, as I say, further north and east. The rain's already clearing by dawn from the southwest and from Wales, so we've got that line of rain to contend with on Thursday. Still raining for Northern Ireland, hence the warnings out here, but a much brighter morning, at least across Wales and the southwest, before the showers start to develop across the Midlands as well. The rain does clear from northern England, parts of the Midlands and the south and the east into the afternoon to allow some sunshine in, but instead we start to pick more up across Scotland and some snow over the hills, perhaps the first sign of the change back to the colder air. So this is just snow over the hills. As you can see, as we go through Thursday night into Friday, that becomes a bit of an issue for the hills of Scotland, perhaps the North York Moors, the tops of the Pennines as well. That weather system, as it moves its way northwards, will be battled against by this cold easterly wind coming in from the continent, and it's that which will eventually push our weather system back southwards on Friday. So still again very mild in southern areas on Friday under the influence of the Atlantic air, but this high pressure then starts to sink southwards. It allows the easterly wind to drag itself across the UK, and it does look as if it's set to get much colder. And the wind, I think, the particular feature of the weather, and there could be some snow as well. We will firm up on details on that snow, of course, in the coming few days, but just a taster of what we might see for eastern coastal counties over the weekend. Bye-bye.